Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to enable the touch tones on the following car. So at the very beginning, all you need to do is use the music button located at the left side of the screen. Then let's use the down menu to select your options. If you press the options, you've got access here to audio settings, so let's click it. From audio settings you can use the down menu, so click here the sound, the middle one, and here you've got access to touch tones. So as you can see, if you enable the touch tones, the system will make a click sound every time you tap the screen. And you can hear it now, but you can make it medium or even high, and right now you can hear the clicking. In my case, personally, I don't like this touch tones, so I will just make them disappear. I will disable the touch tones, and it's depending on your choice, on your preferences. You can choose whether you would like to hear the touching sounds or no. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.